Let's take it to the trader rundown now with Joe Tegay of Equity Armor Investments. Hope you're doing well, Joe. What do you think about earnings season? Will that be a market mover? Those big banks are reporting in this week.
Yeah, there's no question about it. Now, a lot of this earnings potential has been pushed forward to 2021. Well, now we're 2021. Of course, these earnings have been coming in for the fourth quarter last year, but we want to see what their expectations are of this year. Companies should have a better picture of what's going to happen. We know there's been so much uncertainty out there. We want to get more certainty in the market. And with valuations as high as they are, we need to see these expectations start to match these valuations. I think that might be a spot for some companies that are too high to experience some significant drops. And that, of course, will just lead to volatility throughout the whole market.
Joe, how is the market reacting to inflation issues, and why should investors be concerned?
Yeah, we're starting to see 10-year rates starting to rise. People are expecting at some point those interest rates from the Fed will have to come up because, of course, there will be inflation. And, of course, that in itself, that inflation expectations is anti-inflationary. It's anti-growth. So it's interesting to see this dynamic. People are saying it's happening. It's going to be built in. But at the same time, there's this pressure on these rates to go higher. We got a lot of Fed speak coming out. It's interesting to see what they're going to say and just how that they're going to react to this. They've been adamant in saying we're going to accept inflationary rates. We're going to accept above 2%.
Thank you for that Trader Talk, Joe.
Thanks for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.